something very important to bear in mind when you're handling stinging nettles is to use rubber gloves. Stinging nettles in their natural form sting, hence the name. So in order not to get stung by it, you use rubber gloves. Once you cook them, then they don't sting anymore. So I'm putting water in the sink. I collected my stinging nettles in a bag so that they don't sting me either, and washing them. Obviously, even if you pick stinging nettles from places where it's unlikely that they are going to be quadrupeds, dogs and stuff, then wash them anyway, because you need to make sure that what you have is suitable. Stinging nettles are cooked now. Left them about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. And as you can see, now that they are cooked, they can be handled bare hand. What you need to do is take all of the water away. Don't throw it away. Don't throw the water away, because the stinging nettles water is stinging nettles tea. And it's lovely. It's really nice to drink. It's very good for you. And it has all of those minerals and goodness from the stinging nettles. So I'm using a colander and I'm just pouring it through. And you only need to leave it in the colander for a little bit to get as much of the water out as you can. So now I'm going to make the stinging nettles and mushroom soup. I'm going to have 1 big mushroom, 1 medium onion, 2 or 3 garlics, depending on how you like it, and about this amount of stinging nettles. I reserve a handful of stinging nettles for the pesto, and the rest I'm going to use it for the soup, which is delicious. The stinging nettles and mushroom soup has been cooking for about 20 minutes or so. So now I'm gonna blend it, and that's it. I added also just a little handful of dried mushrooms, which I have put in water first so that they increase in volume, and that adds that little bit of wilderness flavor to the soup.